Hello everyone! Today I will show you how I cook my Nissan Ramen instant noodles spicy seafood. First, magpakulo muna tayo ng tubig, and then if mainit na yung pinakulo natin na tubig, let's add the noodles ng instant ramen natin. So yan guys, mabibili mo lang yan sa supermarket. Then let's add the powdered flavor para mas maluto yung flavor niya. And then let's add also an egg. Ayan, mas masarap kasi pag may itlog guys. And then yung mga vegetables, mas masarap talaga siya pag marami. Then nilagyan ko din ng dahon ng malunggay. Actually guys, mas masarap talaga yan pag may maraming gulay like sayote, carrots, yung petchay. And that's it. That's how I cook my Nissan Ramen instant noodles. Lamig good kayo siya guys, as in. Bye! Thanks for watching!